What's up guys, and welcome to today's vlog. Before we get started with the vlog, we do have a hair sponsorship. Today's sponsor is Hurela Hair. So this is how your hair comes packaged. It has this box here. Then in the box, of course, you get your unit, you get a wig cap, and then they also sent a few headbands, a diamond headband, and then a floral stretchy headband. I probably won't be using those, but it's always good to get something free in your package. All right, so this is how the wig looks straight out the package. All the details of this unit will be down below. This is how the hairline looks. The hairline looks good. You don't have to pluck it if you don't want to. Of course, I'm going to because I always do. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. The knots are not bleached, as you can see. I didn't bleach them. They don't look too bad. They're not like huge dark knots, but that's how the knots look. I'm gonna pluck it, I'm gonna customize it, and then of course I'm gonna put some powder on it so it can look like it's giving scalp as best as it can. And if you guys wanna see how this wig looks on my head, then stay tuned. Y'all, so this is how the hair is looking. I just finished curling it. I used my hot comb just to kind of push the edges back a little bit. Like I told you guys, I did not bleach these knots. All I did was do a little bit of plucking right around the front. I didn't even put a part in this hair. I kind of just did like a flip over method, however you want to call it. So this is how it looks with just me taking my band off. I always break the cast up a little bit. Break that cast up just so it won't look too hard. You know, you don't want it to look too rough. But ooh, that looks good. That looks good. Look at this volume. Y'all see that? Do y'all see this volume? Look, and then look at this length on me. Let me bring it all to the front so you guys can see. Do I even need to say anything? I don't even need to say nothing. Y'all can see for yourself. And look at all this body. Look at this. I did cut some layers in the hair. Like I said, this is just what I do. The wig didn't need anything. It didn't need to be plucked. It didn't need layers. Honestly, I could have just curled it how it was straight out the pack and it still would have given this same effect. Wow. Wow. It looks so good. I love this length. This is the length that I always want to go for. I believe this is 24. I'm almost positive this is 24. The link straight to this unit will be down below in the description box, just so you guys can go straight to it. But this is so pretty. Y'all need this in your life. It did not shed. Look at this. It didn't shed. I'm pulling the curls, and y'all seeing these curls are popping right back in place. Right back in place. Look at that. Ooh, body, baby. Ooh, I love it so much. So much. Look at that. Look, 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 look. Oh, you guys check out Hurela Hair. Thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. Like I said, I will have a coupon code down below. This is my first time working with them. I just can't wait to work with them again. Like, this hair is bomb. This hair is bomb. I don't even need to say nothing else.